Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Today is the last day that I'm in Goa and today I'm going to show you my room and Miramar Residency. And I was here for 3 days and but before I could show you the room, I just wanted to make sure that if it's worthy of a room tour and if it's worthy of a video. So I think it is. So follow along and watch me show you the Miramar Residency and my room in Miramar Residency. Come along. The Miramar Residency is near the Miramar Circle and to the right is the beach. Let me go there and show you the beach. Just go to the brim of it. So there's the beach over there. There's a beach over there and this is the Miramar Circle. It's a pretty crowded place in the night, so if you come here you can see a lot of people and traffic going along, and this is also the bus stop to go to Panji. So let's go back inside Miramar Residency and see how it is. Have a small restaurant over here where outsiders can also come and buy food and go eat at their house, or you can eat here, so whatsoever. The bus standing there is Goa tourism bus. So if you book your tours early, you can take the bus and you can explore the parts of Goa. So I think North Goa tour is priced at 300 rupees. It's an AC bus, and South Goa is for 300 rupees, also an AC bus. So you don't have to take too much burden on yourself, and they do a pretty good tour. And I've covered it in one of my videos, so watch it on. That's a hotel for the residency. That's where we have our breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast is complimentary, however you have to pay for lunch and dinner. It's a reception here. All these single houses, I believe if you come as a group you can stay here. I'm not really sure how many persons can stay. Then I've seen some people stay in groups over here, so that would be that. And on my right is the place that I'm staying in, Miramar Residency. This is the end for one side of Miramar Residency. I'll go through this and see if there's anything. No, this side it's also closed. There's a swimming pool here, and oh yeah, there it is. let's continue the journey inside the building where I am staying. This is the entrance. The building as such is not very modern if you compare it to the hotels that we know, but then it is sufficient. It gives you an experience of how Goa is. The people are really nice over here, and you can explore the place from here because it is accessible for most parts of the city. We have an old school elevator. Continue this side and see what is there. And this is the end for this side. It has the same pattern on the other side of the building also. We'll go. Same pattern upstairs also. There's one more floor. I'm not sure if you can get a terrace view or anything of that sort. I'm not sure. Let me see. It looks like a utility area or a guest gathering area. This one is closed, but then I can show you through this. So this is what is there at the top. Okay, let's go back to my room and I'll show you my room tour. So let's go inside the room. So immediately on entering we have the bathroom. A pretty spacious one. That's the bathroom. We have the heater over there. So this is for two people. It's a double cot. And there are two sofas where you can sit and you can read. It's a cupboard. The AC over here. The wall has suffered a lot of seepage, but then that's fine considering the AC cools very well. AC cools very well. So and you have a big balcony as well. A big balcony. So these are the buildings that we saw. So that is the room tour, and that is how it is for the standard AC room. The place is good for staying, and I would recommend you, if you're coming here, you can stay here. It's a nice place. And thank you for watching this room tour, and keep watching more videos, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and do like, share, comment, and share this with all your friends, and do leave your comments down in the comments box. I'll read them and I'll try to respond to all of them. Thank you.